Meanwhile, let's get to the Democrats, Zeke. Perhaps we're seeing a metamorphosis of sorts from Bernie Sanders as, however unlikely a candidate, to Bernie Sanders, almost a personification of his agenda. As Hillary Clinton looks perhaps to sweep again 5 more states today, what do you see this being for the Sanders campaign when he wakes up tomorrow?
You know, the facts on the matter, the facts on the ground will be the same tomorrow when he wakes up as they were this morning before polls open. Bernie Sanders, at this point, faces an incredibly uphill path to the Democratic nomination, to the point of being impossible. It's not mathematically incapable, but given the way Democrats' rules work, I mean, it's straight proportionality. He would have to win essentially a supermajority of the popular vote in every contest going forward, something he hasn't done in states that vote in the past. So he's not going to win. And what he's looking to, and we're hearing from Bernie Sanders in that Nancy Cordes interview and some of his other public statements over the past couple of days, and what his supporters are saying, is they're looking for that off-ramp, that exit off of this, that both maintains his stature within the Democratic Party, keeps his supporters loyal, keeps that money flowing, and they need to find a way to use it. They have a lot sitting in the bank, and they need to find something to do with it.
And Anna, it seems perhaps that certain concessions to his agenda would need to be made. But here are both candidates saying a lot about unity in the Democratic Party, but both are saying essentially it's up to the other one to provide it. What can Hillary Clinton, if anything, at this point do to begin to sway the supporters that Bernie Sanders has built for himself?
Well, she certainly has so far said, like, I'm not going to take X, Y, and Z to get Sanders' support. She made that case by saying when she supported Barack Obama after the 2008, when she dropped out, she said, I didn't do that on the condition I wanted him to win. I think what you're going to start to see, though, is her already start to pivot really to the general election. She was making a lot of comments about Trump last night in terms of kind of taking shots at him for his private planes and coming in on speeches. And so kind of maybe less of the fighting between the two of them and more of the let's focus on what we actually the task at hand, which is winning the not only the nomination but the White House.
Politico senior Washington correspondent Anna Miller, Time political reporter Zeke Miller, we very much appreciate your time today.
Thank you.
Thanks.